Hello and welcome to another episode of NewsX podcast. Joining us right now is Divita Juneja, who is an actor and also an awardee at the Shakti Awards at the We Women Want Conclave 2026, and she's been awarded as the Rising Star. Ma'am, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so
Absolute
much.
honor to have you here, and I want to understand what does this award mean for you. It's also the Shakti Awards, but being branded as the rising star. What does rising star mean for you?
I feel rising star means a lot of responsibility now, but it's very exciting that when people actually acknowledge your work and when they at least have the heart to give you that title. In today's world, the biggest thing is being kind to each other. And getting this award means that people have actually seen my work, noticed it, and acknowledged it, and that is really special to me. I also feel that there's a lot to achieve. It's just the beginning of my journey, but I'm truly really thankful to NewsX and really grateful that I got this award.
Okay, then I want to also understand for girls who are looking up to you. You have a crowd and a fan following, ma'am. People who are looking up to you, what's the one advice that you'd like to give them?
People who are looking up to me, all I would like to say is अपने सपने बड़े देखो और just run behind them. Do your work, do whatever it takes, honestly. I mean, of course, with your integrity, but अगर हम बाकियों की सुन के अपना सपना भूल जाएं और अगर हम बाकियों की सुन के ये समझ जाएं that oh, this is not possible for me, I think that's a failure because you only get to live once,
Right.
and whatever dreams that you have those dreams for a reason. So just do your best to fulfill them.
There's a question that really intrigues me, ma'am. I want to understand if there are any particular roles that you would look for in your career going forward.
I don't really have a particular role in mind, but I do have this in mind that I want to do films with a meaning to it. And like I said in my interview as well, if people are coming and taking out 2.5, 3 hours of their time coming to watch the film, why not also take a message with it? I mean, there's no harm. So something that educates people, something that tells people that this is what's happening, this is what we need to do. That is a sort of role in a film that I really would like to
Wow,
move ahead with.
that's really inspiring. And I want to then understand what are the biggest challenges that you might have faced up until now, because I can confidently say you've made your mark.
Thank you.
So, what are the biggest challenges, ma'am?
First of all, would be you have to just do it without a fail because being a newcomer. So when I was shooting for this film and I was shooting for the climax, which is the most important thing in a film, I had 104 fever. But I did not have a choice to say I can't do it because if I do that, first of all, there are so many people who have the hopes on you. The team is just waiting for you. The crew is so respectful about their jobs, and it is your responsibility to fulfill that. And especially as a newcomer, we do not really get to say no's because I mean, people are betting on you. It takes a lot to bet on a newcomer, and I understand that. But just being responsible for what you provided with is really important. But I've been quite lucky that I got such a beautiful team who had that faith and that trust in me. All my co-stars, Gulshan Grover sir, Ashutosh sir, Sanjay sir, and my co-actor Preet Kamani, and of course my director. That faith they had in me, ki, you can do it, you'll do it, because he is a horse rider in this film. And I was like, ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. Horse riding is something which is really difficult. While learning it, I fell like more than 10, 15 times on my back, on my head. But you just have to keep going, and that's the biggest struggle, honestly. Yes.
I think that brings me to my next question, and almost the penultimate one. I won't take much of your time, but you have to learn and also unlearn a lot of things as an actor.
Right, right.
How do you think you process that in your mind?
So luckily for me, I started with theater. There was a lot of learning with how you portray and through your voice. That was something which I had to unlearn. The loud emotions which we usually do on theater, we can't do it in camera acting. That was something again that I had to unlearn. But I feel if you're getting such a big chance, everything becomes easy if you have the passion to do it and the will to do it. But I again feel with the right direction given to you and with the right teacher, who is my director and Mrs. Vibha Chibba ma'am, she's the one who's trained me for the film.
My final question to you, ma'am. We are at this conclave. We are also promoting Namo Shakti mission, and it's for breast cancer awareness in the country. How important do you think that is for a country like India?
Because we're so busy running in our lives that we kind of tend to ignore these things, but I'm so glad that women these days, they're so open about everything that we are going through. Women are so, like, what do we say, strong and brave to come up and say, this is my struggle and I do not need your help, but I'm just going through it. All you can do is just be kind. So creating the breast cancer awareness is genuinely a need of the hour, and I feel that's a great initiative from you guys.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
An absolute honor to
Thank
have
you.
you
Same
here,
here.
and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.